So we're asked to state whether the triangles are congruent and give reasoning. And it says here quite clearly, triangles are not to scale. So just because they look the same size doesn't mean that they are. And that's going to become particularly relevant when we look at part B. So, looking at part A, we can see that this side and this side are equal. This side and this side are equal. And the angles are marked in the same way, so they would be equal as well. So we've got two sides and the angle between them. And that means that those are congruent. And the reasoning would be SAS, side, angle, side. Now I mentioned just now that it's relevant that the triangles are not to scale. That's because we have an angle marked here with two arcs, one with one arc and one with no arc, and that tells us that this is a scalene triangle. Here we have a triangle with three different sides, so that's also scalene, but we've no way of knowing whether the angles are equal or whether the sides are equal, and the fact that the triangles are not to scale means that this one might be massive and this one much smaller. And how could that happen? Because we've got this one and this one, you'll say. Well, this could be let's say the shortest side of this triangle, and this one could be the longest side of this triangle. So when we are asked whether it's congruent, we're going to say no, and we're just going to put down that there's insufficient evidence. We can't say one way or the other. These actually might be congruent, but we can't actually say that.